What will you be studying in school today?
Our solar system.
Your mom helped build the software that powers the Mars rover. Want to hear what it sounds like on Mars?
Wow, what else?
Let me show you. Those Mars sounds traveled 164 million miles to my phone through a 5G network that runs on Wind River Studio. I helped write the software powering these wind turbines, the same software the Mars rover runs. Billions of these types of devices, machines around the world, are powered by Wind River, working together to change the way energy is created and managed. See the machines in these operating rooms? They're intelligent, mission-critical, and run on Wind River. See all those robots? They're part of what we call intelligent systems, all working together. Where are you now?
Flying a plane!
Turn left.
Whoa!
Our software makes it safer and more secure to fly. This is the machine economy. Billions of devices and machines working on the software we build. See that taxi?
Yeah.
The taxi has to be smart enough and safer than a human driver.
Because safety and security matters?
That's right. It's why Wind River exists. Okay, goggles off. Time for school.
Okay.
Keep imagining that intelligent future. You're gonna help make it a reality.